out here tinkering around with old truck. It is a 2000 model Classic XL. It's got a 99 model build date on it. But anyway, one thing on these old trucks that I hate, it seems like I can't get away from, is the wiper blades that actually screw to the arm. I'll show you what I'm talking about. That right there, man, every truck I've had has had those. And I've been looking for the adapter, but I've not been able to find an adapter. But I was at the Petro truck stop the other day, and here's what I found. The scrub blades, I've always seen them. I've never been able to use them because I didn't have any way to put them on that screw type wiper blade, but they had the adapter for the screw type blade. So I'm going to get these installed, and I'm going to try to run them a little bit before I put this video out so I can give you a good review on the actual blades. And if anyone knows where I can get another adapter to adapt to regular windshield wiper blades for this, leave a link in the comments. I'd definitely appreciate it. And if you're like me, just looking for something to get you by, to get you away from that screw style blade, I'll leave a link to these adapters in the description of this video. This should be a fairly quick, simple installation. Right here is the adapter. I'll go ahead and get this old blade off. One reason I don't like these, they're just a pain in the butt to do, especially if you're in a truck stop. If it is raining or something, you need to change your blades. They got this self-locking nut on them, and they're just horrible to deal with. And they don't, the way that the flat design that they've got, they just don't lay down on the window right, and they always streak. And I don't know how I like the Scrubblade brand, but anything's got to be better than this. Take this out. Go ahead and put this nut back on this blade, that way I can throw it all in the trash at one time. The kit did come with a new bolt and nut, so we'll be using that. Let's got that. Get over out of the way. Get this opened up. I hope you guys can see okay. I left you in there looking through the windshield because I figured it would be a lot worse trying to do this and not knock the camera over. So first thing I'm gonna do is put this on top of this and get the hole lined up, and then put the whole thing through the arm. And that's got the adapter. And I may have installed that incorrectly. I don't know which way is forward, or which way. I would think that it would need to be the other way. So we'll turn this and we'll learn together. There. Now I did have 15-inch blades on here. The only thing available in the scrub blades was 16-inch blades is all I found at the truck stop I bought them at. And I might could have gotten on Amazon or somewhere and gotten the 15s. I don't know, I didn't look. Tighten the screw back down. I don't want it flopping around, but I do want it tight enough that it's not, I don't want to over tighten it either. I want to leave it where it can pivot a little bit if it needs to. Here we go. Maybe like that. So now we'll get a wiper blade. And we'll see how this works, because it says it will work with any scrub blade. So the little adapter that was in there, I just popped it out right here. It was just sitting up in there. You just pop it off that pin and then pop it right back onto this one, I think. Right like that. That's easy enough. The 16-inch blade is not going to mess with my window trim over there. We'll give them a test run when we get them put on. But because it is somewhat flimsy feeling, I'm going to go ahead and pull this nut down just a little bit tighter. I wish I had a better screwdriver. There. This side's finished. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side and we'll check them out. That was a very, very simple installation. As long as the wipers have this style adapter inside, and what this is for, I think it's kind of like the older trucks. Not really focusing very well. Where the hook comes out and slides around into this, or you can pop it off and pop this adapter off and pop that adapter directly straight into the windshield wiper. It should work. I mean, I'm not a windshield wiper connoisseur or nothing, but I would think they would. As long as that centerpiece comes out and there's a rod running across that you can snap that onto. Let's see if they make all the ridiculous noises that the others made earlier. Put a little water on. A little squeak, but it's okay. They're still kind of dry. But I will let you guys know how they do after I run them for a couple weeks. So this is the first time I've driven a truck since I put the scrub blades on, and it came a freaking rain coming through Louisville. I mean, it was raining like cats and dogs, hail and everything else. Today is June the 25th, 2023, and I want them to do, with them being more spring loaded, they push down against the full windows so they get a much cleaner white. I'll show you that here. And no noise. They squeaked a little bit when I first put them on, but the windshield was dry and I didn't really do any clean up or anything. And you can hear just a little bit of a squeak now, but I've been sitting here playing with them. But as far as the attachment and going with this blade, it is a 16-inch blade and it called for a 15-inch. I'd recommend it all day, every day to anybody I knew. I wish that I had them earlier on, because this is like my third truck to have those screw-on wiper blades, and I literally hate them. They just always seem to put pressure in the center of the blade and not toward the outsides, and yeah, I'm sold on this. Anyway, guys, I hope you got something out of this. I couldn't find a lot of information out of it. I do believe that those adapters will work on different blades as well. I wish I could have got some better video of how they work going down the road, but can't hold the phone while I'm driving down the road. I did the best I could with it. And anyway, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.